Nyumba namba inya ngoroba-ini ino ya laiti gicigo-ini kia Nampak ituura-ini ria Thika, aikari marokire kwirorera irema cia rithathi thingo-ini ici cia nyumba iria iraikaragwo ni Emmanuel Oyucia, mwarimu wa mathomo ma nyimbo thukuru-ini wa Thika High. Kuringana na aikari, mwarimu uyu arathirwo ndani ekinaĩ marari na micinga thutha wa kuhingura murango wa nyumba yake niguo ne niki kirathiaga na mbere thutha wa kuigua inegene nja.
Nilipata opportunity ya kuchungulia kwa balcony, so I saw them. They were two guys. Mmoja ni mrefu hivi, alikuwa na Masai, and then the other one alikuwa na bag kwa mgongo.
I think he had some commotion nje, and Manuel being Manuel, alikuwa anapenda kushow concern to people. So I guess alitoka nje ku find out what was happening. I guess maybe that scared the intruders.
Na niki hakinene tondu arari mwarimu Munini, mwarimu wa miaka 36.
Manuel is a very polite man, and as an elder brother in the family, he's been our source of hope.
Munini wa county comicona mwena wa Thika, Douglas Mutai, uria wikirite mukonde uhoro uyu, augite Emmanuel aracemanirie na rithathi akihingura murango wake akienda kumenya kiria kiracungireire inegene rirari nja kuria ona arangeri marakomithitio thi.
The watchman says that the guardman had warned him to go back to his house, but out of curiosity he asked why they were harassing the watchman, and then that is when they shot him. Subcounty police commander responded on time. They rushed to the scene and took the lady to the hospital. Actually, he died as he was being treated.
Mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro ya aruti wira kotu Francis Atwoli agicakaya Emmanuel uria ni muru wa nyina na mutumia wake na kuria borithi gwika uthuthuria baranginyo.
Since they could do very little after a bullet, we leave it to God. Yeah, but the investigations are going on. We are sure that the culprits, the thugs themselves, will be arrested. Yes, a young man, he was planning to do his wedding. He's just a young man.
Kuratuika ekinayaya no maraforire aikariana aria marakoretwo maigwo ni ngari murango-ini wa kuingira broti ino. Mwiri wa mwarimu uyu utwarirwo moshari ya General Kago. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.